Dear students, today I continue with the explanation of Act 1, Scene 3 from page 43 onwards. We begin with the speech of Shylock, who says, "This kindness will I show, go with me to a notary, seal me there, your single bond. And in a merry spot, if you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum of or sums as are expressed in the condition, let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleaseth me." Now, when he says here, "This kindness will I show," he means to say that he is willing to return the similar kindness to Antonio. He tells him to go to the notary. Notary is a solicitor, or you can also call him as a legal officer, where a bond is being prepared and sealed. And in a merry spot, that means it's a pleasant joke. So for a pleasant joke, what is he saying here? If you repay me not on such a day, the day, the time, the place of repaying back the loan has been decided, and it has also been mentioned in the contract. So if he fails to repay back the loan, then he will pay, let the forfeit be nominated. That means he will have to pay the penalty. And what is the penalty? A pound of flesh from that part of the body which pleases Shylock. Antonio then says, "Content I faith, I'll seal to such a bond and say, there is much kindness in the Jew." So Antonio, what is he saying? That he is content, he is satisfied. And he says here that he is willing to seal to such a bond. That means sign the bond and say that there is kindness in the Jew. That means Jew is kind enough to help him. "You shall not seal to such a bond for me. I will rather dwell in my necessity." So Bassanio here, by saying these two lines, that he would not allow Antonio to sign the bond, rather he would remain in necessity. He doesn't want the loan. This is what he means to say here. So this shows the friendship of Bassanio towards Antonio. That means Bassanio does not want to risk the life of Antonio for his personal needs. "Why fear not man? I will not forfeit it. Within these 2 months, that's a month before this bond expires, I do expect return of 3 times the value of this bond." So what is he saying here? Antonio is telling to Bassanio that don't fear. Before 1 month before the expiry, before 1 month before the expiry of the bond, what is he expecting? He is expecting thrice 3 times. That means 9 times the value of the bond. So there is no, Antonio wants to say here that he need not fear, because he will have the money 1 month before the bond expires. Shylock then says, "O Father Abraham, what these Christians are, whose own hard dealings teaches them suspect the thoughts of others, pray you tell me this. If he should break his day, what should I gain by the exaction of forfeiture? A pounds of man's flesh taken from a man is not so estimable, profitable neither, as flesh of muttons, beefs, or goats. I say to buy his favor, I extend this friendship, if he will take it, so if not, adieu." So what is he trying to say here? First, Shylock makes the comment that what kind of people these Christians are, whose own hard dealings teaches them suspect. So their tough dealings teach them to be suspicious of. This is what he is commenting about the Christians. And then he says here that in case if he has to exact the pound of flesh from the human body, then according to Shylock, it is not so valuable. It is not profitable. So human flesh, according to Shylock, is unvaluable, unprofitable, just as the flesh of muttons, beef or goat. If the flesh of muttons, beef or goats is being sold out, at least the person gets the money. But in case of human flesh, in any way it is not profitable, even means nobody will purchase it. I say to buy his favor. Buy his favor. That means he wants to gain his favor. I extend this friendship. If he will take it, so if not, adieu. So if he is willing to, Shylock says here in the last two lines that if he is willing to accept the friendship, well and good. If he doesn't want, then he is ready to say goodbye to him. And for my love, I pray you wrong me not. So as far as my love is concerned, what is he trying to say here? What is he requesting here? Don't be unjust to me for offering this act of love. This is what he wants to say. Antonio, yes, Shylock, I will seal unto this bond. Shylock, then meet me forthwith at the notary's, give him direction for this merry bond, and I will go and purse the ducat straight. See to my house, let in the fearful guard of an unthrifty leave, and presently I will be with you. So Shylock then says, what is he trying to say here? That we'll meet there in the notary's office. And then he's saying, give him direction of this merry bond. Merry bond means humorous bond. He says here about the purse, the ducat straight. That means, let me go and make the ducats ready to be available in the purse to be given. See to my house. Ensure the safety of my house. Left in the fearful guard. Fearful guard means unsafe care. O of an unthrifty knave. So Shylock is saying that the responsibility of the safety of the house is given in the unsafe house, unsafe care or unsafe hands, or irresponsible person. And presently I will be with you. So after making all the arrangements, that means after making the ducats ready in the purse, he will be back. And then Antonio says, hi thee gentle Jew, exit Shylock, the Hebrew will turn Christian, he grows kind. So he means to say here that hi thee means make haste. He's telling the Jew to be quick enough, to make haste. And then Shylock exits. When he exits from the scene, Antonio says the Hebrew will turn Christian. That means a Jew will turn Christian. Why? Because now he is trying to show kindness to Antonio. I like not fair terms and the villain's mind. So Bassanio says that I don't like kind words offered by a villain's mind. Antonio says, come on, in this there can be no dismay. My ships come home a month before the day. So the scene ends with the lines of Antonio mentioning that there is nothing to fear because 1 month before the expiry of the day, the ships of Antonio will return back.